Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the unit off, unplug any charger, and wait 30 seconds so capacitors discharge. Next, remove any external panels. Use a small Phillips and a flat pry to lift the cover without forcing it. Once open, visually identify the Dingling battery by its size and connector. Make sure you understand which way the polarity faces because that determines how to reconnect. Take a clear photo of the arrangement now. You will use it as a reference for reassembly. You should now disconnect the battery connector carefully. Pull the plug, not the wires, because a damaged lead ruins the repair. Once disconnected, remove screws or depress clips that secure the cell, keeping fasteners in a small tray so they won't get lost. Compare the new battery's voltage and connector to the old one. Install the replacement in the exact orientation, pressing it into its seat so contacts align. After seating, reconnect the plug and confirm a snug fit. Loose pins cause intermittent. Once the new battery is connected, reassemble the cover and reinstall screws with gentle, even torque so you don't strip threads. Power the device on and watch boot behavior. Validate the battery percentage and let the unit charge for at least 10-15 minutes to confirm a stable reading. If things go wrong, no power or odd readings, shut down, reopen, and make sure the connector is fully seated and oriented correctly. Polarity reversal, or a bent pin, is the most common issue and the quickest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.